Hi everybody, hope you are doing well. I'm Ryan. Today I'll be making a Pandan Chiffon Cake. First of all, you need 6 egg yolks, caster sugar 80 gram, 40 grams of cooking oil, 100 grams of coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of pandan paste. For those who are watching in Singapore, you can get it from Put Huat or Big King. And for those living in Australia, you can get it around the Eastwood area. Followed by that, there is 120 grams of self-raising flour and a pinch of salt. They have been sifted twice to remove any big particles. And then for mixie, I have 6 egg whites and 80 grams of sugar. So the first step, you would like to preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. This recipe will be able to make a 22-inch Pandan Chiffon Cake. So, first step is to beat your egg yolk. Mix it well and add in your sugar. For me, I always like to add it in 3 to 4 times. Alright, after adding your sugar, add in your cooking oil slowly. Alright, and add in your coconut milk. Followed by that, 2 teaspoons of the pandan paste. Alright, mix it well together. Alright, once it's mixed well, slowly fold in the self-raising flour and the salt. When you fold it in, you are doing a circular motion from the bottom to the top. You're not stirring it vigorously. So for me, I always like to add in 3 to 4 batches as well. Alright, so when you're done with the folding, leave the pandan mix aside. Right now, we will be mixing the egg whites. So when you mix the egg whites, you want to increase the speed gradually. Alright, so what is meant by a stiff peak? Stiff peak means that this stays still when it's ready. So another name for the stiff peak is called a firm peak. Right, so when it's done, add in sugar spoon by spoon. But for me, I always like to add it in 3 to 4 batches. Alright, okay, so right now it's mixed well. So after it's mixed well, slowly fold the egg white into the pandan mixture. Do it in 3 to 4 batches as well. So right now I've already left the pandan mix on its own for a little while. Give it a light stir before you add in the egg white. Alright, the same folding method as well. So you are doing it lightly, because you don't want to incorporate air bubbles into the mixture. Right, so I'm adding the last part right now. Fold it. Be careful not to overmix this mixture as well. You just want to mix it together. Alright. So now it's time for it to be put in an oven to bake. Right, so I'll give the sides a little wipe. And then right now you want to knock back this chiffon tin. It's because you want to remove the air bubbles that is inside. First of all, you use a thermometer, run through it to remove any large air bubbles that are within the mixture. And then followed by that, knock back the tin. Knock it back in order to remove any air bubbles. So give it 1 to 2 more knock back before putting it into the oven. Alright, I'm gonna put it in the oven for 45 minutes. This is a 22 to 23 inch chiffon cake tin. Hi there guys, so my cake has been baked for 45 minutes. The baking time depends on different ovens, so you can put it within the range of 45 minutes to 1 hour. In order to check whether it is cooked, put it in a skewer, and when it comes out clean, it means that the cake is cooked. So the procedure to cooling down this cake is a little different. For chiffon cake, you have to tilt it over and let it cool down in order to prevent the cake from collapsing back to its original state. Alright guys, so over here I've already baked my cake for 1 hour and cooled down for another hour. So to remove the cake, cut the sides. Alright, so after you remove the sides, keep it out. And then cut it on the bottom as well. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.